Dassault Rafale, the French Omnirole master. While other nations built specialized fighters, France created an aircraft capable of performing every mission from air superiority to nuclear deterrence in a single sortie. The Dassault Rafale represents the pinnacle of European fighter design, combining advanced technology with operational flexibility. The Rafale's distinctive canard delta configuration provides exceptional maneuverability, allowing the aircraft to withstand forces from -3.6 G to +9 G in normal operations. Its aerodynamically unstable design requires digital fly-by-wire controls to maintain stability, but this instability provides the agility needed for modern air combat. The aircraft can fly as slowly as 15 knots during training missions while maintaining control. What really sets the Rafale apart is its domestically developed technology. The RBE-2 active electronically scanned array radar, optronique secteur frontal infrared search and track sensor, and direct voice input systems were all created specifically for the Rafale program. This technological independence allows France to upgrade and modify the aircraft without foreign restrictions. The Rafale's Omnirole capability means it can switch between air-to-air and air-to-ground missions during flight without returning to base. Its 14 hardpoints can carry up to 21,000 pounds of weapons, including Meteor air-to-air missiles, Storm Shadow cruise missiles, and ASMP nuclear weapons. This flexibility makes each Rafale equivalent to multiple specialized aircraft. The aircraft's naval variant, the Rafale M, demonstrates French engineering excellence. Despite being carrier-capable, it retains 95% commonality with land-based versions and cannot fold its wings, a design decision enabled by France's nuclear-powered Charles de Gaulle carrier. This commonality reduces training and maintenance costs while maximizing operational flexibility.